everybody, it's Tom from MCThings here again. Today we're going to do another YouTube video, and today we're actually putting together a wireless IoT rain detection sensor. So we picked up a little Arduino rain sensor detection board, and we've attached it to our MC modules. So we'll post the code into the forum and onto the bottom of this YouTube video, and then we'll do a demo of this. But the next thing we want to do is open one of these up and show you how we created these and put them together. Stop there. Okay, so we've got one of these rain sensors open, and as you can see, we actually built two of them. And you can see in the code, we have one that's going to be a simple one and one that's a bit more complex, and we'll show you that in the demo here in a second. But let's have a look at how we've wired these. And again, I didn't open this one, but the wiring is exactly the same. So we have the rain sensor board, it's dremeled in and sealed into these nice little containers. And of course the wiring comes up. And as you can see back here, we do have our 10K resistor. Actually, I think this is a 100K resistor on this one. And it's soldered into pin 0 and the ground and pin 6. And what we're essentially doing is when water hits here, the moisture or the module is going to check it every 30 seconds. If it detects electrical change in the resistance on this board, it'll come back and tell us if it's wet or dry. And on this particular device, we've actually done it a little bit more complex. It's going to tell us if it's dry, light rain, heavy rain, and so we've set it up that way. So let's put these back together and we'll put some water on these and have a look at how they actually work. Okay, so now for the fun part of the video. What we're going to do is take some water out of our MC mug and we're going to throw it onto both of these different rain sensors. I'm going to show you the information that's relayed from the module through our MC air network, back through MQTT and down to my phone. So it's really nice, again, wireless IoT rain sensor. So the difference here, one again is a simple one that's going to tell us if it's wet or dry, and the other one's going to tell us if it's dry, medium, heavy rain, that type of stuff. So feel free to recycle, change these codes as you want. Again, they will be posted into the forum and YouTube. So let's give this a shot. I'm going to put some water onto this right here, simulating rain coming down, and we're also going to put it onto the other module here as well, or onto the sensor there as well. So as you can see, there actually is water sitting on these boards, and really again what they're doing is when it detects water, it changes the electrical resistance, and the module is measuring that, and I've calibrated these sensors to send that information back through. So as we can see on my phone here, the one module is measuring as heavy rain, so that's the more complex one, and there's a decent amount of water on there. The other one might still say dry on it. I'm just going to put some more water onto it here, and we'll see if it changes to wet or dry. Oh, and there it is. So it's raining or wet, and as you can see, there still is water in there. So if I take the water off of these, make sure they're dry, and then when it comes back, we can also see already that this has changed to dry. The last thing I want to mention is in previous videos, we've talked about new different applications and different MQTT apps that we have. I did find a new one that I've put onto my Android phone, and I want to show it out to you guys if you're interested in trying it out. It's called MQTT IoT, and it is free from the App Store on Android, so I recommend checking it out. It's a really cool application. You can do graphs and all sorts of different things. Okay, so there you go. We have a really cool example of using an IoT wireless rain detection sensor using the MC modules. Again, we will be posting the code for the simple and the complex one into our forum and on our YouTube channel as well. So just to lead off with this video, I just want people to sort of realize the applications that you can use with MCThings and the MCThings platform. Imagine looking at something like this where you're detecting rain inside an agriculture building or a greenhouse and having the modules do something when it detects moisture. There's so many different things you can do, and we always say this, the opportunities are endless with MCThings platform. So please check us out online. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course we also want to hear from you on the forum. Thanks for watching.